A webpage template allows you to stream a web page directly into the TV screens. To access the webpage template, select the plus icon in the Media Library toolbar and select Web Page from the drop-down menu. Give your webpage template a name by filling out the field Media Name. In the field URL, enter the URL link of the web page you would like displayed on the TV screens. Check the box next to the field Always Reload Page. By checking this box, it will prompt the web page template to look for and reflect any changes made to the web page onto the TV screens. Select the Save button to save your web page template. Now that your web page template has been added, it is ready for use. If you have more than one channel, in the Channel Library window, select your desired channel. If you only have one channel, the channel will already be selected. From the Media Library window, select, drag, and drop the new web page template into the Channel Editor window. To adjust the order in which content plays, select, drag, and drop content into the desired order. In order for your content to play on your TV screen, you must publish your channels. Check out the video Harmony Visual, Publishing Channels to learn about your options.